Hi, this is Mark Carpio and you're tuned into Easy Rock. Kahit kailan di kita iiwan, kahit kailan hindi kita pababayaan, kahit kailan, kahit kailan. But baby, before I let you go, I want to say I love you. If only you're listening, 'cause it's true, baby. At sandali lang, wag ka munang magsalita, di ko hahayaang lahat ito ay mawala. Ang iniisip ko, kung pwede ba tayo? But darling, you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. Bagin lang yan. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At sabay dapat ko nang limutin. Nais kong malaman, ba't ngayon ka lang dumating? Please do check out all my social media platforms. It's just Mark Carpio, and check out also my TikTok account, and abangan din nyo yung Kape Tayo. And I also have my latest single, Paano Ba Mag-Isa, tune into Spotify. Remember someone today with Mark Carpio. Bye, fam!
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
you can check out our videos by clicking here.
And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.